I noticed something when I came in just from work. Listen to them sing. Look at them swarm up here. You can see them. The locusts are back louder than ever. I can't even hear myself think. It's like scanners. My head's gonna blow. My God, it's like something out of The Shining or, look at them. Or Amityville Horror with all the flies. They are all over this tree today. All over. Yeah, shit, one just... Hello, little guy. What are you doing? It's your time to mate. Go do it. Go do it. Nope. Oops. That wasn't very nice of me. Let me go pick him up. Pick him up. Ah, he's flying away. They are all over. Screaming memes. Now let's see. Not quite as loud down here. Oh, that's a female one. The wind started picking up. Now they're not carrying on as much. Let's go back over here where all the action really was. They are out in full force today again. I guess after the hot weather, they finally want some action. They're all over again, the ground. Gotta watch where I step. But they are definitely out in this tree. Listen. I mean, you can just see them flying through the yard. Maybe. You might not be able to see it through the camcorder. I mean, just... And to answer your question, Chuck Rogan, it looks like when they do die, the lights do go out like Terminator. Look at that, Rogan Radio. It is true. It is true. They are like the Terminator. Look at this. See if I can find one closer here. Red eyes, black eyes. One just flew right off. Got flies, and this is like something out of Amityville Horror. They're flying all at me. Now I bet you I can really make them mad. Let's see. Here we go. I'm gonna shake them. They're not any more mad than usual. See if we can get some in action here. Ah, I got one on me. So hello, little guys. I don't know, maybe they're trying to scream before it rains. Get one last in before it's nighttime. Oh, they're chirping all over. I like to actually get one making the sound that specifically is. I mean, all over. They are attracted to this tree today. There must be some females here. You got about 1,000 horny males looking for that one female. Where could it be? I don't know what the odds are between male and female cicadas. If there's more males or if there's more females, but I don't know. They are busy as can be.